while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite is...
Hey guys, welcome to Accent Dance Studio Tutorials. My name is Marilyn.
And my name is Armin.
And today we are going to be showing you guys 2 poses you can use in dances like rumba,
Like bachata, bolero, or any other slow dance. Let's see.
You start off the pose with opening out. Then you do spiral to the left with 2 chenets. Make sure to correct your legs.
Gentlemen, you're in a check position, your foot further back, easier for you to counterweight your partner. You can bend front leg, you can make it straight. Come back. Now, make sure she's on her own balance. Then she takes step with the right leg across you. Then you're gonna give her support before she continues to turn on the standing leg. Switch the legs. Now, she pick up her knee right there, and we're gonna demonstrate the next dip. You can grab the foot if you like for the styling, and you come back to continue to the next position. Now Marilyn gonna explain what she does.
You have your arms like this, and you open your chest. Then you extend your arms and your legs at the same time, have them straight at the same time, have your fingers pointing outwards, and look back. When you come back, bend your knee.
And you come back to the frame. So now we're gonna do it towards the camera so you can see it better. So we have lady's left knee behind man's back. Gentleman has split weight. Now she's putting her arms in a position to start right here, arching her back first and extending until wrists touch the floor. And partner looks at lady, then she pick up to the frame so we can send her to the wherever the next move going to be. Now we're going to demonstrate you with music.
Make sure to like and subscribe.